Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of coin collecting. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or just starting your journey, we offer insightful and detailed explorations of iconic coins, valuable rarities, and the hidden gems of American currency. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 1971 Washington quarter with the D-Mint Marca coin that's both historically significant and highly sought after by collectors. From its design changes to the nuances that make it stand out, we'll break down everything you need to know about this iconic piece of U.S. coinage. So, grab your magnifying glass and let's explore the value, history, and unique features of the 1971 D Washington quarter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more coin-related content. Let's explore the 1971 Washington quarter dollar, featuring the D-Mint mark, a coin with historical significance and an enduring presence in American numismatics. First introduced in 1932 to commemorate George Washington's 100th birthday, this quarter has become a hallmark of U.S. coinage, with slight design modifications over the years. Despite these changes, the image of George Washington remains a constant, symbolizing the nation's reverence for its first president. By 1971, the country was grappling with economic turbulence, including inflation and the long-lasting effects of the Vietnam War, which influenced various aspects of American life, including coin production. The 1971 Washington quarter, part of the standard series minted by the U.S. Mint, was produced in vast quantities, making it a common sight in circulation. However, collectors have taken particular interest in the variety of quarters produced each year, with certain variations and minting errors catching their attention. The 1971 D large date quarter, for example, has become one of the more sought-after versions. This specific coin features George Washington's iconic profile on the obverse, accompanied by the inscriptions Liberty, the year of issue, and the motto In God We Trust. On the reverse side, the design showcases a flying eagle grasping an olive branch and arrows, with the phrases United States of America and E Pluribus Unum encircling it. This reverse design, created by John Flanagan, has remained largely unchanged since its debut. However, what makes the 1971 D Washington quarter particularly interesting to collectors is the inclusion of the large date variation and adjustment in the minting process that resulted in noticeably larger numerals on the date. The introduction of the large date was a significant change for the U.S. Mint, providing an easily distinguishable characteristic for collectors. While the large date itself was not technically an error, it marked a shift in production and quickly became a distinguishing feature for those searching for this specific variation. It's essential to note that when discussing large date quarters, collectors often focus on the 1971 D version as the standout example, as earlier issues did not feature the same size numerals. Although the mintage of the 1971 Washington quarter was substantial, over 860 million coins were produced, including those from the Denver Mint. This does not automatically diminish its value. The 1971 D large date, particularly in higher grade conditions, continues to be highly regarded among coin collectors. In particular, fine condition examples, which exhibit moderate wear but still showcase distinct features, are prized by collectors who seek a more affordable entry point into the world of Washington quarters. When discussing market value, a 1971 D Washington quarter in fine condition generally holds a value range of approximately $800 to $1,200. However, prices fluctuate depending on the coin's condition, the market's overall demand, and the current state of the numismatic world. Coins in higher grades, such as extra fine or almost uncirculated, can see price tags from $3,000 to $5,000, with rarer and well-preserved examples sometimes commanding even higher prices. The real value of the 1971 D Washington quarter becomes apparent when considering those in mint state, or MS-65, and higher grades. Coins in these exceptional conditions can be worth between $10,000 and $20,000, or even more, particularly if they exhibit unique qualities, such as strong eye appeal or high-quality surfaces. The most prized coins are those that boast notable minting errors or distinctive characteristics, such as double dies or die cracks, which add to their rarity and appeal. What makes the 1971 D large date quarter particularly fascinating is its dual role as both a collectible coin and a potentially lucrative investment. Although the coin's mintage was high, its unique variation and growing demand among collectors keep it in the spotlight. Additionally, Collectors value coins for their historical significance and the subtle variations between different years, mint marks, and error types. While the large date feature isn't considered a mistake or a true error, it remains a fascinating aspect of the coin's history. Coins in fine condition are relatively affordable, making them appealing to collectors who want to include this piece in their collection. However, the allure of higher-grade coins, such as those in extra fine or almost uncirculated condition, continues to drive demand, especially when they are in exceptional shape. Beyond the large date, other 1971 Washington quarters display unique characteristics that further enhance their collectible value. Some coins from this year exhibit double dies or die cracks, which are common errors in coin production that only add to the allure for collectors looking for rarer, more unusual variations. In conclusion, the 1971 D Washington Quarter remains a valuable coin within the broader context of Washington Quarter series. Collectors continue to seek it for its distinctive large date, its historical significance, and its potential for appreciation in value. Whether for investment purposes or as a prized addition to a personal collection, the 1971 D Quarter offers an intriguing and valuable opportunity for both new and seasoned numismatists. The ever-growing market for rare and unique coins ensures that this iconic quarter will remain a cherished piece of American history for years to come. If you enjoyed learning about the 1971 D Washington Quarter, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos exploring the fascinating world of coins. Have a question or want to share your own coin collection story? Drop a comment below. Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.